Australian stock horses. Looks nice, this one. It's in the paddock, strolling out. Really does move real freely. And we're just finishing the head with the weight. Who's this? Yep, she's already been in and out. It's only not even 11:30 at the moment. Both been out. Yeah, she was stalling on the near side turn, but by yesterday, she was wanting a rear over backwards. So I was adding the weight to the stirrup to indicate that I want to go that way, which would catch her attention. Then I'd add my heel to her side, just so that she could feel the weight of the heel. And then because if you pulled on the rope first, you just want to go over backwards. So giving her an indication of weight on that side, then maybe 1 or 2 seconds later, adding the heel. So she's like, yeah, I know what Joe's asking for. Then I'll offer the rope, and she just turned nicely. Taylor's been riding her all morning, and now she's just turning just to weight, just purely to weight now, which is really nice. And this one we've just started.
Got them over there bitching us.
And this one's called Jess, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, righto, that's good. So this is Sarah's Jess.
I'm just going to get you to pull her up, mate.
And thus far, easily the finest trained horse by Sarah, who's the owner of this horse. I walked in, unlike all the others, and she did absolutely every single thing as I requested, as though I only just rode her yesterday. So, well done, Sarah. This is a thus far faultless horse. And she was nice and happy to see me too, which was good. Right. And this is Belle. And Belle has been out and had a run, and give me the feedback on Belle. What's the story behind Belle?
She's beautiful. On her back, nice, strong, sturdy, good turn, good stop, nice back up, and she's got a forward now.
Yep, because she didn't have the forward. That's why I gave the horse to you, didn't I?
You did.
To teach it to go forward. And how do you get it to go forward?
Now you just say walk up.
Yeah, I know, but I mean, how do you coach the horse into going forward initially?
You got me to turn her out and get any forward momentum to
Mm-hmm.
encourage that movement.
That's it, good. You passed that test. It's a polo, so hopefully we'll do something with a polo after lunch. Oh, who have we got in here? Oh, these are the ones I've just run in. So that's my old girlfriend, Hendra. I've had her for a number of years. And that's Quinn. Quinny hurt her shoulder. Someone kicked her in the shoulder, that one there, and it got all infected. And, hey baby. Hey sweetness. Hey baby. I really like this horse. Yeah, so I got to treat her shoulder every day, twice a day for, 4 or 5 days. Make sure the infection went down, and she's an Australian stock horse as well. And there's Big Willie there. And he is absolutely sooking that no one's riding him at the moment. That's right. After lunch he'll be ridden. Oh, here's Rusty. And Nathan just started to pick the mud off of him. He looks calm, he looks good. Got a bit of riding on him before too. So he's got a very highly nervous disposition about him. And we just got to persevere his nervousness with kilometres. And once we get a few kilometres on him and he realises what we're trying to do, and we try not to crank him in any way or form, I think he'll be a perfectly fine horse from that moment on. We're just trying to make that breakthrough with this horse. He's got the most beautiful heart about him. He's a good-looking sort. He's got good movement. Everything about him spot on. But normally speaking, this is the type of horse that would just get canned. Someone would just put him through the glue factory because not worth their trouble. But I think he's worth it. All right, Mandy.
Yeah.
What's the story behind this one?
He's doing well, actually. A bit of attitude this morning, but we got him outside and he's in the big area and he's done really, really awesome. Nice, soft turns, good stop.
Now he's turning to your weight now.
Yeah.
I saw that.
Yeah, he's doing phenomenal.
Yep. Backing up, stopping, turning.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah, nice soft face. Yeah, he's really good.
Mm.
Happy with him.
Mm-hmm. All right, very good, thank you.
Except for this bit. This is the only thing.
What's that?
He's back.
His ears back because you're walking away from him.
No,
Yeah, don't worry about it. It's probably the horse next door to him, by the way. He's looking at the horse next door. Yeah, he's got the shits because you're getting away from him, you see. No, that's what they do. They get... See, he's looking at that other horse. He's like, hey, I'm keeping this human. You keep moving. You come near, I'll bite you.
Yeah, it's been walked behind plenty of times.
Yeah.
It was part of the 140 bum slide, wasn't it?
We're
Yeah.
going to walk behind it and
Go on then.
slide off its bum. If
Go on
you're
then.
happy to do that.
I'll keep the video going.
I was going to tell her to go, but she already went.
Went what? Off the bum?
This way.
Oh, righto.
Side today, Jazz.
All right. Well, how about we mount her up and jump straight back over the bum again? There you go.
You got this, Jazz. Come on.
There you go.
Just sit in the saddle as normal.
No break and wind as you go over.
And remember to have a good breathe before you go over the
Hang
back.
on. I just want you to get used to it, so you just put your bum over here a bit, and then I want you to move back into the saddle. Does that make sense?
You can do it, Jazz. You got this.
Why do I have to do the first one?
No, this will be.
You're not.
I know, but like today.
Get back in the saddle.
Hey, just remember, her grandmother did it last time she was ridden.
Sarah can do it. You can do it.
And I've got
Hey, I didn't use a name. All right, come on, let's go, because I only got so much film. Over you go.
over the back.
Wiggle your bum over. Watch
That's
your
it.
back.
Just go down steady there now so she doesn't get the huge flop. You got it. There you go. Try not to scream and
Slowly go all the way in.
that's it. Don't stick your feet in its groin.
How do I do it? I
Just wiggle. Keep your legs out and wiggle. Go on. That's it. Shimmy.
Tell you to do it first. To show
No, hurry up. She'll start bucking because she's getting tired. There you go. Go, go, go. That's it. You got him. You got him. You got him. Oh, there you go. Next time, go slow so you can enjoy it.
just at the end there, we go a little bit slower. So
There's a reason why we call this the nappy yappy. Like I say, she's either eating or sleeping. Here's your eye, baby. Hey? Your eyes, yes. Yes, you're always sleepy, aren't you? Oh, yeah. Hey? Oh. Till you had your first flush, you didn't really go much on humans, but now you've fallen in love, haven't you? Oh, that's about it. Yeah, this one's come along so well. Really happy with this one. Happy with them all.